Hi, I'm Vijaya. I stay in RR Nagar. This is my kitchen. This is a full steel kitchen. Before this, I had a wooden kitchen. Honestly, I faced many problems: termites, cockroaches, water issues, whatnot. It was not hygienic. I never felt good while cooking there. For the last 3 years, I'm using this steel kitchen. Till now, not even one cockroach I saw. Cleaning is very easy, maintenance tension is gone. Earlier drawers used to make noise. Here everything is soft close, very smooth, no sound. Actually, Tusker did not do only the kitchen, they did the full interiors for my house. My kids' bedroom came out really nice. It's a bit different, not the usual design. We all liked it. These wardrobes are very easy to maintain. Cleaning is simple because it's ACS. Hygiene is good. They also designed my meditation space nicely. Even the TV unit is different, not a standard one. Overall, working with the Tusker team was smooth. They were supportive and service was also good. They gave me 25 years guarantee. That gave me confidence. In my apartment itself, Tusker has already done 4 or 5 kitchens. I have referred Tusker to my relatives as well. They took it and they are happy with it. I feel this kitchen will last long. Maybe even my kids will use it. I really believe the kitchen is the art of the home. If it's clean, the family stays healthy. This Tusker steel kitchen helped me keep it that way. What I wanted in my mind, they have done that. I'm honestly happy with Tusker. Thank you, Tusker.